Top 5 foods you need to beat acid reflux this winter. You've most definitely experienced acid reflux before, but do you find that it tends to flare up more during the winter months? The colder weather can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms, but there is hope. Hello, and welcome to today's video. We'll be sharing 5 easy-to-find foods that you can add to your diet to help reduce acid reflux. From coconut water to ginger, these foods have natural properties that can aid in digestion and reduce heartburn. So, are you ready to take a proactive approach to manage your acid reflux this winter? Let's dive in. Coconut water. When it comes to nourishing ingredients, coconut is definitely one to consider adding to your list. Coconut water is a low-calorie beverage that is often hailed as a superfood due to its many potential health benefits. One of the key benefits of coconut water is its ability to help reduce acid reflux. First of all, coconut water is rich in minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals are important for maintaining proper electrolyte balance in the body, which can help prevent acid reflux symptoms. Additionally, coconut water contains mucus-producing properties that can help protect the stomach lining from the corrosive effects of stomach acid. Coconut water also has natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the digestive system and reduce the severity of acid reflux symptoms. In addition to its mineral content and mucus-producing properties, coconut water may also help reduce acid reflux by regulating pH levels in the stomach. It has a naturally alkaline pH, which means it can help neutralize stomach acid and reduce the risk of acid reflux. Some strategies for including coconut water in your diet to help reduce acid reflux. Simply drink a glass of coconut water on its own, either as a refreshing beverage or as a good replacement for sugary drinks. You can also try adding coconut water to smoothies, using it as a base for soups, or using it as a marinade for grilled meats. Ginger. To our next food on the list, ginger. Ginger, a famous spice with a long history of use in traditional medicine for its many potential health benefits. When it comes to acid reflux, ginger may be particularly helpful due to its natural anti-inflammatory properties. This property may be particularly helpful for people with acid reflux. Inflammation of the esophagus, also known as esophagitis, is a common complication of GERD. The anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger, such as gingerols and scholes, may help reduce inflammation and irritation in the esophagus. Ginger also reduces heartburn and indigestion by promoting the production of digestive juices and enzymes which help improve digestion and reduce the risk of acid reflux. Therefore, if you're looking for a natural way to improve your digestive health and reduce heartburn and indigestion, and of course curb inflammation, consider adding some ginger to your diet. You can drink ginger tea, add fresh ginger to your meals, or try ginger supplements in capsule form. Just be sure to consult with a healthcare provider before adding any new supplements to your routine. Apple cider vinegar. Next, let's talk about apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short, is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It has a reputation for having numerous potential health benefits, one of which is its ability to alleviate acid reflux symptoms. One of the main ways that ACV can help reduce acid reflux is by balancing the pH levels in the stomach. As we mentioned earlier, acid-forming foods and drinks can contribute to an overly acidic environment in the stomach, leading to acid reflux. ACV is thought to have an alkalizing effect on the body, which can help neutralize stomach acid and reduce the risk of acid reflux. ACV may also help reduce acid reflux by strengthening the lower esophageal sphincter. LES is a muscle located at the bottom of the esophagus that helps prevent stomach acid from flowing back up into the esophagus. A weak LES can contribute to acid reflux, and ACV may help strengthen the LES and reduce the risks. Ways of including apple cider vinegar in your diet include mixing a tablespoon of ACV with a glass of water and drinking it before meals. You can also add ACV to salad dressings, marinades, or other dishes. It's important to note that ACV is quite acidic, so it's important to dilute it with water before consuming it. Please smash the like button if you're gaining insight into this video. Ghee. As we continue our exploration of foods that can help reduce acid reflux symptoms, let's talk about ghee. Ghee, or clarified butter, is a type of fat that has been used in traditional cooking and medicine for centuries. Not only does it have a high smoke point, making it a popular choice for cooking, but it's also known for its many potential health benefits, including its ability to help reduce acid reflux symptoms. Ghee works by warming the body. According to traditional Ayurvedic medicine, ghee has a warming effect on the body, which can help improve digestion and reduce the risks of acid reflux. This warming effect is thought to be due to the high levels of butyric acid found in ghee, which is a short-chain fatty acid that is easily absorbed and utilized by the body. Butyric acid is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may further contribute to the digestive benefits of ghee. The warming effect of ghee may also help to improve circulation and support the body's natural detoxification processes. This can help to further support a healthy digestive system and decrease the likelihood of acid reflux occurring. Ghee is also thought to support the production of healthy gut flora, which are essential for efficient digestion. There are several ways to include ghee in your diet to help reduce acid reflux. One option is to use ghee as a cooking fat in place of other fats like butter or vegetable oil. This can add a rich, nutty flavor to your meals while also providing the potential benefits of ghee. Another way to add ghee to your diet is to add a spoonful to a smoothie for a creamy boost. You can also use ghee as a topping for oatmeal or rice, adding a delicious layer of flavor and richness to your meals. Alternatively, you can mix a spoonful of ghee into a cup of hot tea for a comforting, warming drink. Oatmeal. As we wrap up our discussion of foods that can help reduce acid reflux symptoms, let's take a closer look at the benefits of oatmeal. Oatmeal is a type of whole grain that is high in fiber, making it a great choice for maintaining a healthy gut. High-fiber foods can help bulk up the stool and promote regular bowel movements, which can help reduce the risk of acid reflux. But that's not all. Oatmeal may also have a soothing effect on the digestive system, thanks to its bland, easily digestible nature. This can help reduce irritation in the digestive system and reduce the risk of acid reflux. So if you're looking to add some oatmeal to your diet to help reduce acid reflux, there are plenty of delicious ways to do it. You can enjoy a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast, topped with fruit and nuts for added fiber. You can also add oats to smoothies, make oatmeal cookies, or use oats as a base for homemade granola bars. Conclusion. As we bring this video to a close, we'd like to leave you with one final thought: the power of food as medicine. Our diet plays a fundamental role in our overall health and well-being, and by making mindful food choices, we can help support a healthy digestive system and reduce the risk of acid reflux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. And if you're looking for more ways to support a healthy digestive system and reduce acid reflux, check out our other videos on the topic. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.